come to pass in the last days that I will pour my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and daughters, they shall prophesy, they shall see visions. Somebody open your mouth and pray in tongues. Somebody roar in tongues. Roar in the spirit. Redeem the time. Take it back from the enemy. We take it back from the enemy. Ayada Barat.